Hi friends, hopefully you are fine and healthy, enjoying life with your family. Today I will tell you about 2018 Elizabeth coin. Hello, coin enthusiasts. Welcome back to Numismatic's Coin 1, the place where hidden treasures come to light. Today, we're diving deep into the world of numismatics to unravel the mysteries of the 2018 United Kingdom Regina Fid Def Elizabeth coin. You won't believe just how much this seemingly ordinary coin can be worth. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to be amazed. The 2018 United Kingdom Regina Fid Def Elizabeth coin, right here in my hands, is the 2018 United Kingdom Regina Fid Def Elizabeth coin. At first glance, it might appear like any other coin, but don't let its unassuming nature fool you. This coin has the potential to be worth a fortune, and today, we're going to uncover why. Before we get into the jaw-dropping valuations, let's understand a bit about this coin. The Regina Fid Def inscription on the coin signifies, Queen by the grace of God, and Elizabeth II, our beloved monarch, graces the obverse side. These coins were minted in 2018 as part of a limited edition, making them highly sought after by collectors worldwide. Valuation factors. Now, let's talk about what makes this coin so valuable. 1. Limited mintage * limited edition coins are always in demand. The scarcity of this particular coin adds significant value. 2. Condition *. As with any collectible, the condition is crucial. Coins in pristine or near mint condition fetch top dollar in the market. 3. Collectability * coins featuring special designs, like this one with Regina Fid Def inscription, are highly collectible. Collectors are often willing to pay a premium for unique and aesthetically pleasing coins. Amazing valuations. You won't believe the valuations we've seen for this coin in recent years. Similar coins have been known to sell for hundreds, even thousands of dollars at auctions and private sales. Imagine finding one of these in your collection. It's like striking gold. How to identify? Identifying this coin is relatively straightforward. Look for the Regina Fid Def inscription on the reverse side and Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse. Additionally, checking the coin's year, mint mark, and overall condition is essential to confirm its authenticity and value. There you have it, folks. The 2018 United Kingdom Regina Fid Def Elizabeth coin might be small, but its value is colossal. Whether you're a seasoned collector or someone just starting, keep an eye out for this hidden gem. You never know when you might stumble upon a treasure trove. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more intriguing content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy coin hunting. Have you ever come across a coin that surprised you with its value? Share your discoveries with us. And if you have any questions about coins or collecting, drop them in the comments. Also, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining us today, and see you in the next video. Take care and happy collecting, everyone. Remember, the next valuable coin might be just around the corner. Until then, happy hunting.